Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview customizable layouts. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step will be to access the customizable layout feature. You can access the customizable layout feature by simply clicking on the layouts button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. So once you have that clicked, you move down to step 2, and that's to create a new customizable layout. Now you can create a new customizable layout, including the arrangement of charts. You could also customize the indicators as well as other elements. Now the step 3 will be to configure your customizable layout settings. Of course, here go wild with customizations. You can just configure your customizable layout settings, including the symbols, the time frame, as well as other parameters. Fourth and final step will be to use your customizable layout. So go ahead and use your customizable layouts to quickly and easily create new layouts with your preferred settings. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview customizable layouts. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next